Hello, everybody. How you doing? This is Tracy, passionately intrigued arts, and I have created some tabletop DIY ironing boards some time ago, over a year ago, and they're starting to look a little rough, a little bad. So I'm just recovering them, spruce them up a little bit, make them pretty. So I've cut this material out, and I've already started on the larger one with this material. And I just cut out enough material to cover this and flip it over and gluing it down with a hot glue gun just to give it a better look, just to spruce it up some because it was looking pretty rough. I use them quite often. They come in handy when you're sewing or using items that you have to iron on your tabletop instead of getting out your big old ironing board. And I'm sure many of you have seen this dingy ironing board on some of my videos, and I thought it was well overdue to change out the material. So I'm just sealing it down, and I have a shelf liner on the back of these so that when you place it down on your table, it doesn't move as much as it would if you didn't have anything on it. So this one is done, and I'll work on my smallest one now. And this was this was a piece of wood in here, and I think it was a cutting board, a large cutting board that I used, a thicker one. And this was a piece of wood. I don't remember. These are larger than a Dollar Tree wood. I don't remember. I just had a piece of wood and I covered it with this flannel. So now I'm just going to change it up and cover it with this material. That piece is not big enough, so I'll take what I have, flip it over, and just line it up to where I know I have enough edge to come over on each side. And cut out a piece, glue it down, and I am done. Really easy, really simple DIY, and it comes in so handy. And as you see, I already have the rubber shelf lining on the back of these. So what I do is the corners first. Let me move my little iron. Put a little glue on this corner and just pull it to like that. Then I'll come around and do each corner first. Pull it tight, rub it down. So the same for all four corners. Be careful not to burn yourself. I do have a little piece of a popsicle stick that I can rub it down without burning myself. Let's do this corner. And rub it down. Then I'll come back and fold it like you're doing a package. Just fold those corners like that. Put some glue on it, and I just do a little bit at a time so that it lays down flat. Pull that over. Then I'll do this corner. and pull it tight. Ooh, I got some on my finger. Ooh, ooh. Use this. Use a piece of cardboard or something to smooth it down so that you don't burn yourself like I just did. So then I'll just go around the edge of the material and glue it all the way down. Just a little bead of glue all the way down. I try and grab it and pull it, and then use my stick to smooth it down. And just continue around until you get it all glued down. I'm just gluing material to material right now in these corners. So I'll just go inside, put a little glue, and rub that down. Now I can pull it up and add some glue and pull it over. I try to fold it in so that the edge is even. So I'll just continue around until I finish. And now I'm just using the nozzle of the glue gun to not turn it down, to lay it down after I put the glue on. And if you see a few pieces, corners or whatever that haven't been glued, just put a little dot of glue in that corner and smooth it down. Going on the inside, gluing the corners to themselves first. Now you don't have to turn it in. I'm just being extra, right? Turn it in, turn the material in, and then glue it down. That's just to make it neater. It doesn't have to be neater. Who's going to see that side but you? One more side. Then I'll go back over it, and pieces that are lifted don't have the glue holding it down. Then I'll just touch it up a little bit. It's a lot easier and a lot faster if you don't turn it under, because that's not necessary. Okay, now I'll go around, check it out, and see if I need to add glue anywhere else, because I definitely don't want it to come apart. Here we go. All done. Iron whatever you need to iron. If it's something small, you can use your small, tiny one. And here's my big one. It's perfect size for your tabletop, for whatever you might need to iron. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up. I appreciate you. Peace and love, and we'll see you next time.